how to change Wix template. So if you want to change your template on Wix, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, unfortunately, if I go ahead and then open up the Wix dashboard here, and whenever I created a site, I chose a certain template. So maybe I have a blogging website or an e-commerce website where I chose a certain template, but later on, let's say while browsing through it, while doing some changes, I happen to find that I don't like the template and I want to change the color, the theme of the template. Can you do that? Well, unfortunately, no, it is not possible for us to change a template, and I don't know why Wix makes it so difficult, because on WordPress or any of the other platform, like even Blogger, they allow you to change the theme or the template. The only thing, however, is that within your Wix account, you can create as many websites as you want with a new template that you want to, and you can copy all the information, but not some of the information like the templates and so on. So hopefully this video actually helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.